Welcome to Mararison Island. Hindi. Yun ang Mararison Island, yung nasa focus ng camera natin. Yan guys. So dyan yung White Beach. Pero at the moment, nandito tayo ngayon sa park. Majaas Park Kulasi. Ayan ang ating nakikita. So ang entrance fee nila rito is $250 per head. Ayan, bata or ay no, may discount pagka bata at batang isip, charot. So yan, $250 per head. So if you have 2 heads, alam nyo na kung magkano, multiply nyo na. Ayan, ito ang Majaas Park. So it's a theme park actually. At what is very exciting, interesting about this park is you have the overlooking view of the Mararison Island, one of the detached island ng Kulasi, that one. Yan, napunta na rin namin at maganda yung beach nila, white sand. So this little park, so good for children and for family, weekend getaway. And look at their pavilion, medyo sira na yata yung bubong, pero it's nice structure. Very cozy, very comfy in the day. At yun, marami ditong silungan na mga trees, just like this one. Hindi ko alam kung anong puno yan, pero looks like Palawan cherry siguro. At saka nakita ng binabarbecue na dinosaur, only here in Majaas Park. Look at that. Oh, barbecue nilitsyon na T-Rex. So, diba? Tingnan ko lang kung mangyari yan talaga kung may mga existing dinosaur at present time. Kung magagawa niyong litsunin sila. Baka before you do that, na-devour ka na nila. Well, anyway, this is called Jurassic Mountain. And you see the mountain behind this park. It's so very lush, so green, almost turning to bluish green. Dahil nga napaka-clear, klaro ng sky ngayon. Look at that. Families are happy exploring the place. Very nice. Nice weather today. Hello T-Rex. It's a T-Rex. No, masyado mali siya for T-Rex. So yun lang guys muna, at tayo magagala-gala, and I'll keep you updated about our adventure here at the Majaas Park Kulasi, Antique. Kruhay, Antique.